Howdy Om. We're on day 293 of Song Divine, the Daily Gita, and we're into chapter 17, 3 kinds of faith. And Krishna is describing these right now. He says, the vain ones of demonic nature, impelled by the force of lust and greed, subject the body to torture and also hurt the one within, me. We just had in chapter 16 a whole chapter about the traits of the demonic, right? And he's saying if you have some of those traits, you may be very rajasic in that you are drawn to power and success and ambition and things like that. But he's saying that because you're impelled by this force of lust and greed, you may hurt yourself, your body, and also the one within the body, me, Krishna, God, Brahman, Atman. How does this work? Because say you burn the candle at both ends, you're staying up too late. You're not giving the body the rest it needs. You're not giving the mind the rest it needs. Maybe you're overeating, maybe you're not eating correctly. Or maybe you're working out too much. Maybe you care too much about how, much weight you can lift or how skinny you can look in a bikini or whatever that is. But you're basically torturing the body. Of course, we want to be healthy. We don't want to overdo in any case, in any direction, one way or the other. Middle path, health. Oh, look who joined us, Clara. She hasn't been around in a while. Okay, anything else? Let's see. Yeah, so, even in the name of spirituality, they may devote themselves to very severe austerities. And that's not good for us either. We don't need to do severe austerities. We don't need to starve ourselves. We don't need to whip ourselves. That's so unnecessary. We need to honor ourselves. We need to, meditate and be at peace and eat healthy and treat our body as a temple, because this body is a vehicle with which we can become spiritually enlightened in this lifetime. So take care of it. Okay, more information from him tomorrow. Thank you.